welcome back to my channel. I got another one going today, which I'm making a Toto, which is a Jamaican cake. I'm gonna get it started. I got some flour right here, which is about 3 cups of flour I got going on right here. I got some coconut. I'm gonna mix all my dry ingredients together, then I'll start with the wet one. All right, so this is 3 cups of flour I got in my bowl. And I got a coconut right here. This is a whole coconut, which work out to about maybe 3 cups, I would say. So I'm gonna get that right in here. And I mix that all together. And then I'm gonna get the sugar right in here. Really simple and easy, people. I love Toto. This Jamaican cake, one of the best. One of my favorite, you know. My mom always make this at home and I love it. I just take this recipe and I adjust it a little bit, you know, make it my own way. All right, so I got a tablespoon of baking powder right here. I got a ½ teaspoon of mixed spice and a teaspoon of nutmeg. So all these dry ingredients going inside here, mixing it together. And I can't leave out the salt, which is a teaspoon of salt right here. This is all the dry stuff right here, people. Mix that all up. It's a really simple thing to do. Okay, now I'm going for the wet one, which I got 2 cups of milk right here. Go it inside, and I got a tablespoon of the Jamaican white rum, people. That's flavor. And I got some ginger grater going in, and I got ½ cup of butter melted right inside, and then I got 2 eggs. All right, and I got a tablespoon of vanilla right here, people. We're talking about flavor up. Mix that all together. All right, we're gonna dump this right inside here. And then we're gonna mix this all up. Okay, so you just keep on mixing this, people. You don't want to mix it too long. Just folding it right in. And that's it. So guys, this recipe is really simple. As I said, I got 3 cups of flour going on in here. I got a 1½ cups of brown sugar. I got the coconut, which is a whole coconut I grated and put it right in. That should work out to about 4 cups of grated coconut. And I got 3 tablespoons of baking powder going on in there. I got ½ teaspoon of allspice, and I got a teaspoon of nutmeg, teaspoon of ginger, and I got a ½ teaspoon of salt, and I got 1½. I got 2 eggs actually, 2 cups of milk going on in here, and a ½ cup of butter, ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract in there, people, and the rum, don't forget the rum. It's a tablespoon of rum. It's a really simple and easy recipe. Jamaican Toto cake going on, people. I'm gonna get that right in the oven and we're gonna try it out. Okay, people, the Toto is ready. It's out of the oven. After about 45 minutes it takes to cook, to bake in the oven. And this is the finished product, what it looks like right here. I want to try a piece. It's hot, people. It's hot, but I want to try a little piece of it. Cut a piece out. We're gonna try it together. All right. So we're gonna get that on the plate. Isn't it looking beautiful, people? Okay, people, let's try out the Toto. Just gonna take it up and bite it like this. Mmm. Wow. This is good. Mmm. As I said, it only takes about 45 minutes in the oven. Pretty simple and easy recipe to make. I want you guys to try this out at home. Wow, this is delicious. Mmm. You can taste the coconut going on. Mmm. Wow. Guys, you gotta try this. Right in the oven. Alright? So, catch you guys back in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe to this channel.